Hello, my name is Rebecca Garcia Gutierrez. I present activity 2. Where is located the cerebellum? It is a substructure attached to the paramount the breathing lag below cerebrohemisphere. Where is located the heart? It's located in the midlife at the thoracic cavity in middle of the mediastinum between lungs. Where the lungs are respected to the heart, is lung located on one side at the right cage and separate from the other by heart. Where is the heart respected the liver? Abdominal cavity in the region known as the right epicondyle and inner portion of the epigastric. Where are the periganglions? Are 4 small glands in the back of the paw wiggling. Where is located the liver? In the upper right parietal abdominal cavity below the diaphragm and above the right kidney and intestine. Where is the gallbladder respected to liver? At the lower border at the liver between the right and left lobes. In female anatomy, where is the urinary bladder? Except on the pelvic floor.